Morning, y'all. We are just heading across the McKay Bridge here from Halifax into Dartmouth. Beautiful morning out here. We don't have the Alma dog with us. We are heading to the body shop here for the van. Finally get some of this ugly rust taken care of. Here's what we're looking at here. Some of this rust here is starting to come through a bit. I did all this work about 2 years ago. Thought I did a good job. I'd never done it before. And that's the driver's side. But the passenger side over here is a heck of a lot worse. I mean, this was bad before, but it is really bad now. All this is chunking off. Look at that. Just brutal. That's some around this door here and a little bit starting here. Some of the stuff down here is going to have to be replaced. Yeah, we're going to get a professional to do it this time. And hopefully we get some longevity out of this, because when the home starts rusting, it's no good. We got to get the van down into a pretty tight little spot here, so that'll be good. But Sammy took another look and is going to get all this cleared up here in a few days. All right, well, we got the van in here. A little bit of a tight squeeze, but we are going into there for the next few days. Get this all taken care of. Let me make sure I'm off the road here enough. I think that looks pretty good. Well, that's it. We are officially homeless for a few days. Do a little couch surfing over the next 2 or 3 nights, depending how long this takes. And now I gotta go figure out how I'm gonna get to work back on the other side of the bridge. That's some gnarly construction going on over there. Thank you very much, sir. You as well. Made it into work here with a little bit of time to spare. There's a $30 cab ride. Does look a little different back here in the parking lot without the van and Alma here. But she's going to have a good couple days hanging out with her mama. I'm looking forward to getting the van back. I think a little TLC is exactly what it needed. Well, what do you know? I'm sitting here just enjoying a cup of coffee. I was thinking about getting ready to get on the bus here to head into work, and I got a call from Sammy. And the car is ready, the van is ready. Told me I could come pick it up around noon today. I got to work at noon, but I'm going to be a little bit late. Alma dug a little hole in the dirt here to stay cool yesterday and this morning. This was our resting place last night, so I'm just going to get the couch all made up here. And yeah, appreciate the stay from Alma's mama. Let's go pick the van up, see what it looks like. Well, Sammy got us sorted there, and I gotta head to work, and then we'll check this thing out. Looks good though. Sammy at Top Point Auto in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. Looking pretty darn good, actually, way better. So replaced all this metal here. Get a little rubbing alcohol here and take off some of that. Replaced all this piece here. He replaced the piece here, down here, and looks pretty good. Put that rocker got on there pretty thick. I'm wondering about my tires. When I bought these new rims last year, 2 years ago, they were offset or inset a little bit, so they come out a bit. So I'm wondering if I want to maybe get, just wondering if I really maybe want to get like little guards there to keep the stones from going up and chipping the paint there. I don't know if anybody out there uses those or has those and think they work. You can see how the wheel is out further than the wheel well. Just a bit. But that'll throw stones up on there. We'll check out this other side here. This is in the sun. Now he didn't replace anything over here, but ground it all down. Looks excellent. Got up in here. There's a little bit of rust starting on the inside of this, so we just kind of got it going here. I mean, that looks maybe a little sloppy, but I think with some rubbing alcohol or something we can clean that up. And then he did do the door jamb. That looks great. And then did underneath the door. Check out this one. This is Alma's door. Looks fantastic down here actually. And did all along here. So he ground all this down. And then in the going into the back here. He did hold his word with $1,500 tax on that. I forget what it was, $1,780 or something like that. But I think this is gonna work. I'm happy with this. It's gonna look good when we head off to Newfoundland. My solar is kind of doing a weird thing here. It did this before, and I think it was because it was inside. So the solar panel, the MPPT, is telling me on the app that it's on float, but the shunt is showing that it's only 92%. Just going to take this off, and here before I turn the solar off, I'm going to turn it back on here, turn the solar back on with this double pole switch here. So now it's telling me it's bulk charging. Now it's saying it's on float. So the shunt for the battery's down here. That's kind of the brains of the operation. But this MPPT saying it's full. I've noticed if this thing's sitting inside for a day, not usually if it's cloudy, but if it's inside where it's dark for no natural light for a day or two, sometimes it does something a little funny. So gonna keep an eye on that. I'm not sure if the battery is full and the MPPT is telling me the truth, or if the MPPT thinks it's full, but the shunt's telling me the wrong info. Sometimes it's got to go through a synchronization, it's called. It kind of resets and usually goes back to 100. Gonna climb out of here. This looks really good. I'm happy with this. I'm late for work. Surprise, got to pick up the van a little early, which was nice. But I got to work here half an hour ago, so gonna hit the road. We'll catch up with you in a bit. Nice looking rig.
I know what I mean.
But not, it doesn't say coffee. Is there
Really?
for coffee?
I don't know if it's for coffee.
Who's gonna lose a Scrabble tonight while the van's getting dealt with?
Not you. You know, I've never really been much of a car guy. You know, getting new rims and worrying about this body work with some rust, even though that was getting kind of bad. Not really anything I'd worried about a lot before with other vehicles. But, you know, living in your vehicle, as I am, I want it to last. So I want to take care of it. I want to make sure it's safe out there on the road. And, you know, even has a little bit of curb appeal. You know, staying in neighborhoods, it's nice to know that your vehicle, you know, hopefully isn't the worst looking one on the road. And then also, you know, leaving your vehicle like that. That's the first time I've left the van for a couple days to have work done. So, I mean, it's something that you have to take into account, that there might be a night or two or several where you don't have access to your home. So it's nice. I was lucky. I don't have a lot of friends here in Halifax, but the ones I do are great. So it was great that we could rely on one of them to help us through here a couple nights. And, you know, it was a really good time. And my team did not win at Scrabble. Alma loves snacking on the seaweed. All right, well, I think the van looks great, but it is nice to be back at home here. It'd be nice to sleep in our own bed tonight. Alma had a great time at her mama's place. Thank you for letting us crash your party for a couple of evenings. That was a lot of fun. Much appreciated. And we had a good day today. I got a haircut, so that's always good. And took care of something else that I've been really kind of working towards, kind of, weighing out my options, and made the move today to something new that I think is going to affect the channel, affect how I do things, hopefully affect how you see things, and maybe things will get a little, you'll notice a bit of an improvement. So I've always kind of thought, over the last little bit, that it would be kind of fun to do a live stream. Chance to get to know you a little better, for you guys to get to know me and Alma a little better. So I was maybe going to open one up on, I'm thinking this coming Monday, do a live stream. If you have any questions or comments or anything, it'd be a lot of fun to have a little bit of a chat, and also just fill you in on a couple of things behind the scenes I've been a little bit working on, and plans that we got here moving into the next month or two. So it'd be great to have you join us. I'm going to shoot for Monday at 9 p.m. our time, which is Atlantic Daylight Time. I will throw out a post maybe Monday morning just to remind anybody that wants to join in. So we hope to see you there. Cheers. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Back at home, bud.